First, let's check out iRoot's appearances and parts. On the front is the color LCD screen. The button panel has ADJ, down, up, set, and power buttons from left to right. On both sides are probe cord jack, USB port for software option, power adapter jack for charging, and the battery cover is located on the back of iRoot. Details on the LCD screen include volume indicator on the top left corner, battery indicator on top right corner. Real-time progress of the file is displayed at the center of the screen. Other parts are 5 lip clips, 1 probe cord, 1 file holder A, and 2 file holder B that connect the probe cord to the file. And 1 power adapter is also included so that you can charge the unit. Now we'll see what you need to prepare before using iRoot. 1. Check if the LCD screen works fine when the unit is on. 2. Connect the probe cord and connect a lip clip and a file holder to the 2 ports of the probe cord. Here's how to measure a root canal with iRoot. Turn the power on, hook the lip clip connected to the probe in the corner of the patient's mouth, and have the file ready. Clip the file holder to the file holder connected to the probe. Insert the file and slowly move it forward while rotating it gently under the meter on the screen that shows 0.5. When it reaches 0.5, the word APEX in red letters on the screen flashes and the beep becomes strongest. Move the rubber marker as close as possible to the root canal's entrance and slowly take out the file. Use a dental scale as needed to measure the length from the rubber marker to the file's tip. This is called working length. It is highly recommended that you take an X-ray to check the measurement. Things to keep in mind when using iRoot. 1 power adapter is included in the package you receive for charging the lithium-ion battery. Basically, iRoot is fully charged when delivered to the customer and can be used for plus 60 hours. However, make absolutely sure to use the included power adapter and nothing else when charging.